Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited that you are here today. Today's video is a little bit different than what I normally do. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product that was sent to me by Terelax. I have worked with them in the past and they are great to work for. They also have amazing products, so when they reached out to me and asked me to work with them again, I was like, yeah, because who does not want a good massage? And they had previously sent me a foot massager, which is amazing, and I use it all the time. And they were like, can we send you something else? And I was like, of course, like no questions asked, of course. I'm so excited to try this out because I carry all of my stress in my neck and shoulders, and I get knots in there all the time. And you know, my husband tried to massage them out, but they just don't come out with his massaging. I mean, you know, it's those knots that you just want somebody to like push in and really get in there, and sometimes, you know, hands can't do that. So anyway, so I picked this one out and I am so excited to unbox it. So let's get this thing open and try it out. So this is what it looks like inside the box. Let me get it out and we'll look at it a little bit further. So it comes with an instruction book, and one of the things that I liked about this was it does upper back and your thighs, legs, your lower back, just all different areas, your shoulders and arms, you know, your upper back and neck, your mid back and lower back. So this is just a very versatile massager. I think it's gonna hit all the good spots for me. All right, let's get this opened up so we can see what all's in here. Alright, so here's the power cord, and then look, it comes with a car charger, so you can use it while you're traveling. How cool is that? That to me is amazing, because when we travel, I always get knots and stuff in my back from sitting for so long, so this is going to be amazing for me. I'm so excited to put this in my car. Right here's the power, and then you can change like the rotation of the Shiatsu massagers that are in here, and then there is you can make it faster or slow it down, and then it's heated. And so the inside looks like this, and the Shiatsus do have heat in them, so I'm so excited about that. This is a very nice product, y'all. This is very nice. I'm so excited to try this out. It is just very good quality, it feels like. Let me get it plugged in and we'll mess with it and see all the different functions. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and plug this up. So it's just one of these connections. You just push it in and you can hear it kind of pop, and then you know that it is ready to go. Okay, so we have the power. Oh yeah, the heat is already on this. You can see the Shiatsus in there all lit up. Then you can make it go slower, really slow apparently. Okay, so that is as high as it goes, and then medium and slow. There we go. And then you can turn the heat off and turn the heat on. While I'm showing you how to use this massager in several different ways, I wanted to take a moment and just tell you a little bit about Terelax. They have over 10 years experience and are mainly committed to healthcare massage equipment and high-tech electronic product development and production. They have a 15-day no reason return guarantee. Their warehouse is here in the USA, and they have a 10 hours order processing, which means you will get your product really quickly. Please make sure that you go down in my description box below and check out their website and look around and see if they have a massager that might fit your needs. Y'all, I am so thankful for this product. It really gets in there and digs them knots out, and I really enjoy it in this area, and also in my lower back area. It was amazing. Those are my two favorite spots, but it felt good everywhere, but those are the two spots that was like, you know, the sweet spots for me. So loving it. I just want to take a moment and thank Terelax for partnering with me today and sending me this amazing product. I appreciate it so much. I will have their website and the link to this product listed below in my description box. So if you feel like that this is something that you would like, make sure that you go down in there and check that out. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.